far. So far so good. I am liking the quality of the camera. It looks like this camera definitely will be a lot better than my phone, of course. The only thing is I gotta figure out the settings with the aperture, with the lighting and the wide screen, because I don't know if this is wide enough, you know, as far as like capturing more full. I think it's still like a movie letterbox type of situation, so I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. Let's see, and it's on autofocus, so it looks like it's doing what it do just fine. Let's see, yeah. All right, I will be back in a little bit.